Challenge 4 base. Let's take it down. We're just going to kill the things as they show up. Every time I do it's a little bit differently, but whenever things show up, we kill them. Now we got to get, we're going to try to get this guy without getting shot. We might not, oh, there you go, it might happen. We don't want to get shot by him, but this might work out all right. There you go. Not too bad. There you go. All right, now we got to move our chopper up a little bit. Take out these guys. And these guys are coming, so we might as well kill them right now and get it over with. They like to attack. Just kill whatever shows up. We'll get a little bit of damage, but not a lot. I take just a few minutes of damage. There we go, bring in some more. We never have to worry about repair. All right, we'll take out these guys, then we'll take out these guys. Hopefully he won't be dead. But these guys, if we come over here and shoot him, these guys will kill us. So we'll take out these guys first. All right, now we take out this guy and he'll take out the rail for us. And we'll clean out a little bit of the top here. There you go. You can get him to shoot the chopper, you won't take any damage, but you won't get a lot of damage. Take a little bit of damage, so we take a little bit of damage, we'll just send in some different controllers. It's not real hard. Let's see, take out these guys because that rail will tend to want to kill you. Take out these guys next because they want to kill my choppers. Now he's coming to get us. a whack, so let's take him out. And these guys are engaged, so got him. Take these guys out. Oh, look out, look out. We didn't take one out. He's shooting at us. There we go. Now we'll take him out. And another one will come, so we'll take him out. Take these two guys out. Now we'll reset and come in and clean out the other side, and we're done. I'm cleaning it out for someone else, so I will not finish the base, but you'll see how easy it is to finish the base. Come down to right about there. Let's bring in some controllers. Always kill these walking, whatever they are, first, because they will kill you. Now the next most dangerous thing is back in here. There you go, there you go. Let them help you. But they've got to be engaged. If they're not engaged, so we've got to get the choppers engaged. Otherwise, these guys will all shoot you. Get the chopper engaged with these guys. Come on. There you go. You're engaged. Otherwise, they will shoot your controllers. It's really pretty simple. Just slowly work your way around. Uh-oh, come here. Get the choppers engaged. If the choppers aren't engaged, they will shoot you. Now we can kill them. That'll take out that. Take out this guy. All right, we are basically done. Now we're just taking out. Take out these two guys. I'm going to quit after this because somebody else wants this base. But you see how simple it is to clear the rest of the base. And then you just go around and clear the rest of the base. It's really that simple. All right, that's it. Go and do likewise.